Hello friends and potential friends. Well, Milton went through last night. I kept power. I'm one of the lucky ones. Got a lot of debris to pick up though. I took a quick glance out here earlier when I fed the cats. And by the way, all the cats are accounted for and happy. Well, as happy as they can be in a situation like this. I got a lot of cleanup to do. I don't see any major damage anywhere. But then I didn't look around a whole lot because we still have one last band coming across the coast. But from what I see, looks like we did pretty good here in Daytona. Yep, I don't see the patio. It's covered with debris. My cactus is blown over a little bit, but the ginger and turmeric tower is still standing. Got moss all over the place. The garden doesn't look too bad. Looks like these peppers got blown around quite a bit. But that's to be expected. I might have to do a little bit of harvesting too. Moss everywhere, mainly because of that. And that is the reason that I slept in the hallway last night. But it's still standing, and that's a good thing. A lot of these trash trees took a hit. I see one broken off back there. Might have had a few micro bursts. But kitties are doing good. Hi, Snowflake. Yeah, Snowflake's got a little bit of a sore on her face. I don't know what caused that. It's been there for a few days. And there's Licorice. They're all wondering what's going on. A few branches down. A few of the smaller trees broken off. Let's see what I can see out here in the mini orchard. If I can get to it. Well, my Florida avocado is bent over, but it should straighten up again. It's not broken. I may have to put a T-post in there to hold it up. Oh, there went Spooky. Lemon tree's doing okay. Mulberry's doing okay. Lots of debris. But thankfully, looks like that's all I've got to deal with. We do have one last band running across the coast. You can see how the wind was blowing. It was moving that branch pretty good. Some of them trash trees are down, twisted and broken. Overall, I guess I can't really complain. There's a China berry that got twisted off. That's right next to the oak tree. Let's see what it looks like over next door. If I can get there. That tunnel is kind of buried. Yeah, that's my oak tree. Thank goodness it's still standing. Because if that had fallen in the wrong direction, it could have reached the house. That's the china berry that got broken off. And over next door, well, I got some mowing to do. But no real damage. Well, I'd say we did pretty good. And I know there's still a lot of people in the state that can't say that. So we came through lucky here. I've been listening to the aftermath on the TV, and they know of at least 5 fatalities here in Florida. But it could have been a whole lot worse. And the rain's starting up again. So I'm gonna head back in the house. But Geeky Gardens came through it. I got a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna get busy, and I'll see you next time.